to another vlog, and today we are going to guess. No guess. Oh wait, I put it in the title. We're going to IKEA. Today we are going to IKEA, guys, with no goal, no plan, no game plan. We're just going, I guess, so we can window shop. So we might just be like window shopping for things like that, and then we'll go back for another IKEA day where we buy everything and stuff like that. But for me, I will just be going so I can see what stuff I want for my room. Maybe I'll pick up a few things like, I don't know, lamps and stationery. I really like stationery, so we'll see what we find. And yeah, let's go, guys. This is IKEA. Head. It's a bed tray. It's so cute. I have one of these, but mine is broken. I know y'all see this now. You have got to let me cook. I want these glass cups. I've always wanted glass cups. These are $5 cups, but they're so cute. And I think they're tempered, so I can put hot stuff in them, right? Oh, hush. Didn't see you there. Just doing some work. No way. I thought it was a mirror. This one's a little smaller. It's a better size. Wow, IKEA, these are some bougie chairs you got here. Stop tempting me with money I don't have.
Oh, hello, guys.
It has something on the side.
Gabby, you would like to say hi to me. Mwah.
Indubitably. Best meal ever. This is root beer, by the way. Okay, let me get out before they kick me out. So nice. This is so K-drama. So giving K-drama, guys. My favorite part of IKEA, food. Oh. I was recording this whole time. Corkin. Anybody care for a corkin? You do make like fresh milk out of it. I don't know. People don't use them anymore. We got a plant. We've made it to the back rooms. It's time for a IKEA haul. IKEA haul. Okay, number one, mini dustpan and brush. I don't know why. Next up, 3 glasses. These are very tiny, cute, regular looking glasses. Next we have toilet cleaners, black and white. This one is mine, this one is my parents. And I'm gonna put one in my bathroom for my toilet. Bastis for your clothes. I forgot to mention Boerman for your bathroom. This cleans, I don't know what, but it cleans. Kalas. Spoons, forks, knives for the kid. We got these 2 bowls on sale, super cute. I got scissors for my desk because I don't have any for paper and things like that in my art stuff, so I got that. 2 black trash cans. And this beautiful house plant. I love this plant so much. I convinced my mom to get it and she got it. I'll put the name of it right here. Okay guys, that is all for this vlog. Thank you for tuning in. That was my IKEA shopping thingamajigger. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, come back please. And I will see you in the next summer vlog.